guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at a surprise package sent over by Numskull regarding the Tubbz for Jurassic Park, as well as a variety of other different pieces that they also sell. So together we'll see exactly what they sent, unbox it, as well as go ahead and take a closer look at it. Now, if you guys wanted your own, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Sweet! Alright, so we have a few different things going on here, which is really cool to see. And this here is all part of the Jurassic Park series. So sick! Okay, so we do have our two Tubbz, charging mats, some pins, and even some glasses. So let's go ahead and take a look at these first, because these are official Jurassic Park sunglasses. Assuming they sold these at the park. If you are a fan of Jurassic Park, this here is definitely something you might be interested in, mainly because it houses both the red and the green, almost like a T-Rex, I would say, and has the showcase of Jurassic Park logo on the side. How do I look? We have some other goodies here. So these here are kingpins. So we have ourselves the Jurassic Park, It's a Dinosaur, Jurassic Park, and then the gate. So we have 1.1 and 1.2. Overall, a great looking set of pins. Definitely add these to our collection on our wall. Now we also have a charging mat. All right, so it's a charging base station that's wrapped with this almost like a rubber compounded material, and it is textured, so it does have some in-depth. And then you just got a USB-C cable that plugs into it, and you can go ahead and just charge your phone by simply taking your device and placing it on there just like that. All right, so we have ourselves two. So we have ourselves Dennis Nedry, as well as Dr. John Hammond. All right, so this is kind of interesting. Each time they come out with a new Tubbz, I say that they really do take it up a notch. So in this particular case here, we do see this duck housing glasses, and it even has a clear piece of panel, so kind of showcasing the lens, which we haven't seen before. Now the hat does have a nice texture, and you even see him walking with this cane, showcasing a fossil in there based off of the movie. Now it does come with a little tub for our Tubbz, so you can go ahead and display it in there just like that. Now we also have ourselves Dennis Nedry. So it does showcase him having his badge, wearing his Jurassic Park jacket with his aerosol shaving can. And then he also has these glasses which contain these clear filaments, allowing to go ahead and give the dimension or the appearance of actual lenses. So this is actually really nice. They are really doing a great job with this. And I'm really excited to see what they come out with in the future. So there is our set of Tubbz characters. And other than that, hope you guys had enjoyed this video. And if you had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.